Aloha, my name is Sunra Ajiao Mama Wu. We're on our theater right now for our lovely traffic safety presentation.
I need a few volunteers. Raise your hand if you want to participate with us today.
The mission of Flagman is just to, raise awareness for safety on the road. It's really important to prepare all these young adults the safety precautions that we need to take on the road. If there is an accident on the side of the road, we're not supposed to just stop in the middle of traffic just to look, but it's not a show. People could seriously get hurt or possibly die.
So I've been in the towing industry for over 30 years, and my son was following in my footsteps. He was working roadside, and an 18-year-old young man, about your guys' age, made a huge mistake. He did not slow down, and he did not move over. At 80 miles an hour, he turned left, and he ran into my son, and he died instantly. So there's serious consequences for our actions when we're in a car. The young man that struck my son, he was on his phone.
If you see an accident, slow down, move over. If you're a passenger, tell the driver to slow down and move over so we can let our first responders do their job. Aloha.
Thank you. That means from here on,